Your Honor. Something odd just happened that I just want to bring to the court's attention.
All right. The 14th District Court is now in session. Honorable Judge Hailey, subject Simpson.
You may be seated. Court does call the case of Spice Street versus Hailey Salisbury and Gavin Wellesley. You guys want to come up right here?
And good morning, Your Honor. Rachel Dornbush, Palace Law, on behalf of the plaintiff.
All right, state your names.
Hailey Salisbury.
Thank you.
Wellesley.
All right. Couple of things happened, and I know Miss Dornbush, you got something. Mr. Wellesley, you, as I understand it, don't wish to have any other interest in the apartment. Is that correct?
No, sir.
Pardon?
No, sir.
Okay. It's not correct what I'm saying, or you're saying you don't want to?
Oh, I'm saying I don't want to. Oh, sorry about that.
All right. As you were, and the reason I'm saying that is because prior to that, you had basically indicated that you have some place of your own.
I do.
Is that correct?
And I also, I'm staying with my stepfather right now, but I do plan on getting an apartment soon in the future. And I didn't know if me being on this lease would affect that.
All right. We may be able to take care of that. Hailey, how are you today?
Okay.
You're good? All right. You wish to continue to reside in the apartment, right?
If I can.
Pardon?
If I can.
All right.
Maybe.
Oh, hold on. You're not very good about making decisions, are you? Huh? No. Yeah, you're 20. That's why. To get better. All right, let's do this then. Ms. Dornbush, since Gavin doesn't want to have an interest, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into a breakout room with you and Hailey and talk to the two of you, okay? And do that, because I think you might have some information that I also have some. Okay.
Yes.
All right. You can have a seat. All right. The court will stand in recess. And Hailey? Okay. All right. We're back on the record in the Spice Street Apartments matter, Salisbury, and so it's Wellesley.
Yes.
Yeah. All right. I had an opportunity to talk with Hailey regarding this matter. You don't want an interest in the apartment. We'll sort that out maybe by Friday, because you've got a hearing on Friday. All right. With reference to the payment of the arrearage, as well as what may be the lease, there were funds that were collected, and I don't need to mention the amount, but there were funds that were collected. Talked with Hailey, and I think she's in agreement that there's going to be $16,000 that needs to be deposited with the court into court escrow, and that can be done by certified funds. So, ma'am, you have access to those funds?
Yes, it says that they're pending until, and it says that I've never done that, outpouring before like that. It says they're pending until the 8th because I can open it to my website. That's what it says because we initiated the transfer.
All right. So on the 8th, which is, well, that's tomorrow. So our next hearing is on the 11th. So $16,000 of that needs to go into court escrow. That means there needs to be a certified check brought to the court. And then we will hold those funds. Is that correct, Hailey? Right? You have to verbalize.
Yes.
All right, thank you. All right, the other thing in speaking with her is right down the street. She's going to go down to the University of Michigan Credit Union and open an account there. I'd like that so that you have proof of the opening of that account today. If you can.
Okay.
They're quick. Okay. All right. You have a license, right?
Yes.
Okay. That's good. I think that's all they need. All right. And so you need to open an account there. Then they also have folks that, financial folks that can help you with questions and the like and what you have on that. All right. There are some other issues that Ms. Dornbush brought up. I'm not going to have those raised. I don't want those raised on the record. Just see what happens there regarding that. Also an issue with an agency we're going to try to get you in touch with regarding furnishings and the like, a nonprofit here, and see what we can do along those lines. We're also going to give you the number to the University of Michigan University of Michigan Legal Clinic to kind of help you manage yourself through some of the legal issues. And I think that was everything we talked about. Is that right, Hailey?
I think so, yeah.
All right. Okay. So, Ms. Dornbush, was there anything else?
Nothing, Your Honor. I think we've covered everything, and hopefully we'll have some additional updates by Friday.
Okay. Fantastic. Thank you. Hailey, wait a moment. We'll get all that information to you.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
All right.
Thank you.
Court's in recess.